The communication style that works with your friends or peers often fails with senior leaders. Long context dumps. Slack novels. Quick 30 minutes? With no agenda. You're not being ignored because you're junior. You're being ignored because you're not speaking in a way that matches how seniors think and use time. Once you change that, the whole vibe of those conversations shifts. To communicate well, first understand what a senior leader's day looks like. They face calendar Tetris, decision overload, and an information fire hose. So when you talk to them, they're silently asking, "What is this about? Do I need to decide? How risky is it? And can I trust your judgment?" If you don't answer these quickly, they'll disengage. Your job is to reduce their overload, not add to it. For senior-friendly communication, follow this formula. 1. Headline. A clear sentence on what this is about. Update on X project, at risk due to Y. 2. Context. Short, not a history lesson. We plan to ship by the 31st, but vendor delays mean we'll slip by a week. 3. Your analysis. Impact is moderate. It affects our internal timeline, not the customer go live. 4. Your recommendation. I recommend we move the internal milestone by 5 days and keep the customer date. And 5. What you need from them. Be explicit. Are you okay with this trade-off? Let's talk tone. Senior people don't want you to be scared of them. They want you to be clear, honest, and solution-oriented. Avoid over-apologizing. "Sorry to bother you. Sorry for the long message." Vague asks. "Just wanted to share. FYI only," when you actually need a decision. Defensive walls of text to prove you're not at fault. Aim for direct but polite. Flagging a risk on X. "I need your input on Y trade-off." Owning your part. "Here's what we've already tried. Here's what I can commit to next." You come across as someone who can handle reality, good or bad. You might think, "I can't talk to seniors until I know everything." Not true. What matters is how you handle uncertainty. Instead of, "I don't know." Try. "Here's what we know, here's what we don't know yet, and here's how we're finding out." You're not judged for not being omniscient. You're judged on whether you're in control of the problem. Here's a rapid checklist before you hit send or walk into the meeting. Before talking to a senior, ask yourself, can I explain the situation in one clear sentence? Do I know what I actually need from them? Decision, advice, or just awareness? Have I thought through at least one recommendation? Am I being honest about risks, not sugarcoating? If yes, you're already far ahead of most people they talk to. In the next lecture, we'll look at the other side of the equation. Not just managing up, but also managing down and across, so your team and your peers actually like working with you while you grow. That's how you become the person people trust in all directions, not just the boss above.